Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm going to be testing out the viral TikTok baked feta pasta and finding out, is it really worth all the hype? One thing I love about this dish is it is so easy to make. I love homemaking and I'm always making videos about decorating, cooking, basically anything mom life. So if that's something you're into, definitely consider subscribing to my channel. I'm going to be doing a lot of decorating for summer, and I'm going to be doing several different tiered tray designs. Shout out to Jill Dolan. Thank you for always keeping me motivated, and I am so excited. Thank you for commenting, and I really appreciate all your positive energy. I really like knowing what your guys' favorite type of videos are as well, and I can focus my time and energy creating content you guys are going to definitely like. Okay, so this pasta is absolutely delicious. Yes, it is definitely worth the hype. If you can get really good flavor and have it be easy, that is definitely a winner in my opinion. And I will be keeping this recipe in my back pocket. I don't know how this happened, but I realized after I finished making this that I forgot to add the garlic. It was still really good. I love growing tomatoes, and this is a perfect dish to use up a lot of your garden tomatoes. So I'm really excited for when my tomatoes are ripe at the end of the year. I hope your week is filled with peace, love, and fun. Thanks for watching.